My name's Theresa Todd. I live here in Bloomington, Indiana. I was a runner, a trail runner. I've run for almost 40 years. I fell in 2013. I jumped over a tree and missed and tore up my knee. And I put it off and ran on it for over a year. And it got really bad. And so I couldn't walk on it. I thought, well, I've got to do something. And I called Dr. Surdam's office and I came in here to see him.
So in Theresa's case, her pain had started to really limit her ability to do even routine daily activities. And she definitely was having trouble staying active and enjoying the kind of activities that she usually does. So we talked about all those things and how giving up those things had really affected her quality of life. We talked about delaying surgery, making sure that she was comfortable with the decision to go ahead with surgery. I think we both felt like she had tried and failed conservative management, and it was in her best interest to go ahead and get that done.
After I had my first surgery done and I recovered so well and I had so much more mobility and I could do so many more things I hadn't been able to do for years, I wanted to have my left knee done because I wanted to be able to have the same thing. I wanted to be pain-free, I wanted the mobility, I wanted to be able to progress, and I have grandchildren and I wanted to be able to play with them. So having the second knee done and having it here was just a no-brainer.
The team that we've assembled here at IU Health Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, I think, is second to none. Between the preoperative approach, the intraoperative approach, and the postoperative recovery. And we've also worked very closely with our physical therapists in rehab to develop what we call a rapid recovery protocol. It really allows patients to get home quickly, to get rehab quickly, and get back to life quickly.
Being able to come here in town and have everything here and have the great doctors and the great care and be able to do all my rehab here and close to home, it's been awesome.
Seeing Theresa today reinforces all of the reasons why I do this job. She has done exceedingly well. She has her life back. She's able to exercise. She's able to participate really in all of her family outings.
They did give me my life back. They've just been the best. I'd recommend it to anyone.